In this video, I'm going to show you how to beautifully record screen on your Mac. The first step is to download a software called Screen Studio. The link to this software is given in the description of the video. Now, once you open this software, you are going to see this particular menu. It says display, window, area, and the devices. So, let's select the camera first. So if you just select on this camera, it will give you an option to select a camera. So if you want to hide the camera preview, you can hide it. So, and in this particular mic section, just tap on this and select the mic of your choice. You can connect any external microphone. And if you want to record the audio of your system, you can just select this and record the system audio from apps. Now let me give you a demo. I'll select display. I want to record entire screen. Start recording. And the best part of using Screen Studio is it tracks mouse clicks. So let's visit any website. Let's visit amazon.com. Amazon.com. Now let me just stop the recording by pressing the red button. And the best part of using Screen Studio is it tracks mouse clicks. So let's visit any website. Click on edit. And here, this is the dashboard. So let's just customize the camera settings first. You can set it to vertical or horizontal or square. So set the camera position as per your liking. And even you can change the camera position. And if you want to add any camera layout, you can add it as per your liking. And apart from this, you can set your background as well. So you can set your padding if you want. You can add rounded corners as per your requirement, and you can even change the background color. You can change to any image or the color of your choice. These were some of the settings, and if you click on transcript, it will automatically create a transcript for your videos. You can enhance the audio from these settings. And here comes the best part. As I said, it will automatically track the clicks. Screen Studio is it tracks mouse clicks. So let's visit any website. Let's visit amazon.com. So you have seen it automatically captures the mouse clicks. You can customize it as per your liking and requirement. Not just this, you can even change it to a portrait mode for Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. And you can set it to the square mode for ads, and you can set it to the white mode as well. And when you want to export it, you have multiple options. So if you don't want to export it, you can even use a shareable link. If you just click on this link, it will give you a link. You can share it with anyone. And if you want to export it to a file, select it as per your requirement, 720p, 1080p or 4K, and select the frame as per your requirement. Click on export to file. This will give you the finalized output. So this is one of the best softwares for screen recording on your Mac. So you can check out the link given in the description of the video. So that's it about the video, guys. This is Sheikh here signing off until we meet again in the next video.